Hello guys, it's Riyan here and welcome back to Programming and Tech. Now, this is our new lessons of our Python course. Before that, just don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell and like this video, leave a comment and most important part, share this video with friends and family. Today we will be discussing about list. Let's start quickly without wasting a minute. So now, a list. So here you could see how to create a list. For example, I want something to bring. So I want you guys to do a few things. So u is equal to, I will assign, I'll put a square bracket and now I'll say subscribe, give a comma, separating it with the next element that is like, share and comment. Okay, now I'll be running it, shift plus enter, and now subscribe is not defined. It though happened, I am writing characters without a single quote. So you have to put single quote in every element whenever you write a letter. So now let me run it. It's done. Now I will say what are the tasks that you should do while watching this video. So I will write you. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'll write you. Shift plus enter. You should subscribe, you should like, you should share, you should comment. Game over here. So this is how you create list. So now list doesn't have any kind of orders. So there is no order. So how to get indexing and slicing of lists? Not I am not talking about strings in our previous no before previous video. On our seventh lesson we learned about slicing and indexing. So today we will learn about slicing and indexing of list u and square bracket 0 shift press enter subscribe. The first element is here. So now there is a quite difference in string slicing and list slicing. In slicing, if you notice, yeah, so only a single letter is shown. So if you go here, the first element or who holds the 0 is s. S is equal to index 0, but here it's showing a whole index because this is a list. This varies from string. If it had same functions like string, then why would you call it a list? So now what you actually ask Python here is, hey Python, give me my first element that's in my list, u. So okay, let's you can also find second element j. Now can we play around with lists? Let us see, can we edit a list? So to edit a list, we will say u is equal to, no, okay, shift bracket, it's not coming here. Okay, here, not there. So what is actually happening here? Let us see it quickly. U is equal to shift square bracket, not square bracket. It's not coming here. I guess my Python's kernel is not working. Let me change it here. Yeah, it's working here. Okay. Q is equal to, this too happens in your Python. Your Python may sometime get crashed. No worries here. In that case, you have to actually do is restart the kernel. You might lose some value, so the best thing is you can save the file and reload it. Okay, u is equal to, we will be doing Start formatting. Outside here we will write. It's actually not working here. Yeah, here. Dot format bracket string. What string can we add? Should we add in single quote? Yeah. So here I would say, what can we add? Yeah, we will add watch full video. Watch the full video. And now shift plus enter. Now something is came here. Let us read. Attribute error. Dot ticked object has no attribute dot format. What it means. So let us remove dot format and let us put comment. Shift plus enter again. Dot date doesn't have a no attribute called comment. So why is this happening? I know, but I'm not gonna tell you. The reason is a list can be changed. Let me see. We'll do that. I'm not gonna tell you directly. Here you can go to direct pages and here you can add comma, you a comma, and you will add a single string. Watch the full video. Okay. So now let me run shift plus enter. You shift plus enter. It has came here. So when you're going to edit a list, that's not possible in the dot format method. So that's all for today's video. Meet in my next video with the whole new lesson. Bye bye guys, till then.